hello there. In your opinion, what's better, a dirt bike or a Go Kart?
Well, today we're gonna find out by doing 3 different challenges that get crazier and crazier. Whoa. The first challenge, what is the first challenge? Oh yeah, the first challenge is drifting. Oh, I'm tired. So basically, we're gonna be seeing how well my brother can drift on his Go Kart. Yeah, so he did a lot better than I thought he would.
I don't know how I'm gonna top that.
But hey, I might as well try. So, I'm not the best drifter, am I? Yeah, so I really messed up on that drifting. Look at his drift compared to my drift. But hey, I mean, at least I tried, right? Anyways, time for challenge 2. So basically, my brother's gonna be timing me to see how long it takes to get from one side of the gravel road to the other. The time for mine was 6:56. $7:73 was Grant's time. Well, at least I beat him on the speed. But now, it's time for the final challenge. This final challenge is absolutely insane. We are going to be doing an off-road race. So, within the first 3 seconds, I was off, and I thought I was doing pretty good. Until I turned around and realized my brother wasn't even there. It turned out his go-kart didn't start. So I was off right away going down the hill. So far, I was looking pretty good. I checked behind me once. And I barely won. Put down below in the comments what you guys think is the best. And if you could, please subscribe. See you guys in the next video.